Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I will be sharing to you up and coming luxury bags. You know the drill, I will be putting here as much information as I can, prices, feature, product codes, and links if possible. So if you are finding anything interesting here, kindly take a screenshot. For orders, kindly do check the website or your CAs for orders and availabilities. And guys, I'm also inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about place, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm very excited to share the latest collection of Coach. They have just released their latest runway collection and everything looks amazing in so many collector's pieces. Prices, features are all included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availabilities. You can now order all of these via Coach.com. Happy shopping guys! Alright, so let us start first with the Wear Your Shine collection. The very first one is Tabby 20 shoulder bag. Price is $395 USD. So this is the updated version of the Tabby 26. So now the size is 20 centimeters in length. The material is the mirror metallic patent leather. It has silver hardware, leather top handle, leather crossbody strap, and it has 2 inside compartment and back pocket. What do you think guys? I am so in love with the size, and of course guys, you know me, I love anything shiny. So this is a go for me. Hopefully we are going to have this in the Philippines really soon. And then we have the pen shoulder bag. The price of this one is $295. So this is inspired by the iconic archival Y2K design. I believe the other name of this one or the same is the swinger bag. So the material is the mirror metallic patent leather. It has silver hardware, leather top handle, 1 inside compartment, and 1 slip pocket. Then we have the very beautiful Sammy Top Handle 21, still from the same Wear Your Shine collection. Price is $495. It features length 21 centimeters, same mirror metallic patent leather material. It has silver hardware. It has a rogue leather top handle, detachable leather strap, and push lock closure with expandable side gussets. Then we have the Tabby crossbody wristlet. So this one definitely is a little bit smaller. Price is only $275 USD. Same mirror metallic patent leather finish, silver hardware, and as you can see, it is a wristlet. It comes with wristlet leather strap with detachable chain strap with Classic C logo in front. Aside from bags, so we have Amelia Mary Jane from the Wear Your Shine collection. Price is only $165 USD. Same material of mirror metallic patent leather. This is guys perfect for the ballet core trend that is trending right now. What do you think of this one? I feel this is very comfortable since it is a flat. Then this one we had the Nicola hybrid slingback. Price is $250 USD. Material is the mirror metallic patent leather. Sexy slingback kitten heel shoe design with classic Tabby C logo in front. I am loving this design. I feel still it's very comfortable because the heels are not that high. And then we have the metallic shrunken aviator. Price is $2,200 USD. Material is the mirror metallic leather finish. And this is a jacket with shearling design. Now let us check out the runway pieces. So first we have REXY Bag. Price is $325 USD. This is a very rare straight from the Runway Collection. Material is Coach signature monogram canvas. You could carry this as a top handle or you could carry as a crossbody, and it comes, as you can see here, with a detachable canvas strap. What do you think? This is definitely so cute and I would love to add one to my collection if I could find them. And then we have the heart bag, price is $325. From the Runway Collection, material is patent leather with debossed Coach monogram. It features two top handle, but you could also carry this as a crossbody. It comes with a detachable strap. It has a zipper pull, zipper closure with brass gold hardware. More heart bag. So this one is priced at $325 USD. Heart bag in regenerative leather. Rare runway piece. Material is glove-tanned leather. Features two top handle. It has detachable crossbody strap, zipper pull, zipper closure with brass gold hardware. Then we have the very cute and quirky banana bag, price only at $325 USD. Rare Runway Collection. Material is the patent leather with the Boss Coach monogram. And it features two top handles. It has two detachable crossbody strap, zipper closure with brass gold hardware. What do you think? This just looks so cute, right? Especially carrying it as a top handle like this. And then we have another cute and quirky lip bag. Price same is $325 USD. Very rare Runway Collection. Guys, if you are going to see this at your local Coach store, I would highly recommend get these very rare runway pieces because I believe these are the collection pieces that you are not going to see at outlet malls. Next, let us check out Tabby Shoulder Bag 20 in magenta. Price of this one is $375 USD. Made of patent leather with debossed Coach monogram. As we could see here, it has two main compartments with one zippered compartment. I love the very beautiful brass C logo. Very cute size. Definitely, I would want to check this out. Then we have another color. Color is green, Tabby Shoulder Bag 20. Price is $375 USD. Material is made of patent leather with debossed Coach monogram. Detachable leather top handle with detachable leather crossbody strap. Features this very beautiful brass hardware, two main compartment, and I forgot to mention it has back pocket design. And then we have this very cute and quirky fish bag. Price is $325 USD. Very rare runway piece. Definitely, guys, I would highly recommend you get this one. Made of patent leather with the Boss Coach monogram. Features leather top handles, detachable leather crossbody strap, brass hardware with zipper closure. Then we have the Apple bag, price is $325 USD, color green. Another beautiful and rare runway piece. Material patent leather. We could see it has the debossed Coach monogram. Comes with two leather top handles and it comes also with detachable leather crossbody strap, brass hardware with zipper closure. What do you think of the new Coach bags? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Did you love anything so far from the selection that we have discussed? If so, kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your selection. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode for today, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at PremierFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!